Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. But firstly, make sure that the battery charge on your watch is at least 30% because if the charge runs out during a reset, it may damage your device. So firstly, let's open settings by pressing and holding this menu button. And now just scroll till you find this system tab. Click it and scroll again till you see the reset option right here appears on the screen. Just click it by clicking the start button, and we have several options here. So this one, reset default settings. It is reset all settings to factory defaults, saving the entered information and activity history. The second one, delete all activities. So it will delete all activity from the history. Now, reset totals. To reset all common distances and times. And delete data and reset settings. To reset all settings to factory defaults and delete all entered information and activity history. But be aware that if you have a Garmin Pay wallet set up, this option will remove it from your watch. It will also delete any music stored on your watch. So, after selecting the desired option, just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Confirm by clicking this start button, then choose yes, and click it again, and your screen will be off. And then we just wait till it will turn on again. Great, now the watch has been successfully reset to the factory settings and we can reconnect it again with the phone or use another device for the connection. And that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.